Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Autosoft 30 installed, driver's current, and admin access available. Once done, plug the device with the USB cable and launch Autosoft 30. Create a new project and name it clearly so versioning is simple. Make sure your backup is loaded for reference. This prevents accidental loss. Now select the template closest to your task and import any required config files. You're set to move into the configuration steps that define behavior and timing. You now configure workflows. Set timing values, thresholds, and loop counts that match your process. Once configured, map inputs and outputs clearly. Label each channel so you won't confuse sensors later. Make sure to run single-channel tests to verify signal and polarity, then progressively enable additional channels. Use the built-in simulator to validate logic under load without risking hardware. If a parameter seems off, adjust in small increments and retest. This avoids cascading failures when you switch to live mode. You complete the process by running a full system test while observing live logs for anomalies. This confirms timing and interactions. Once satisfied, save the final project, export settings to a portable file, and document all changes for future audits. If something goes wrong, stop immediately and revert to the prior backup. This minimizes downtime. Then enable verbose logging and reproduce the issue on the simulator to isolate cause. Finally, apply the fix incrementally, retest, and redeploy with the documented correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.